Okay, so Ross is champing at the bit to get his bike back. It's been 2 steps forward, 1 step back. We're making some good horsepower, but unfortunately his clutch is letting go. So we're changing the plates and putting this lock-up device on.
Not waiting for any lag to disappear. It's 75.
We tried it with the plates that are in there, but unfortunately they're well past their best. So we've got a new clutch going in, all new plates. So hopefully that'll get rid of the clutch slip and enable us to put the horsepower to the ground. Get the supercharger back on. Obviously, doing a clutch, cover comes off, all the supercharger has to come off. So it's not that big a job, but it still work. So like I say, 2 steps forward, 1 step back. We should be back up and running again with this tomorrow. So Ross, be patient, we're getting there. The French Chick's 1000, we've got over all the issues with that. We're now just got to put it on the dyno, set that up so we can ride back to Marseille. This baby, we're waiting for some Woolwich software, so we'll be on that. Yeah, so we've got 2 Rocket 3s going out this week, both supercharged, both got cams, pistons, making them over 300 horsepower. We've had this one for quite a while, but Joe's now picking it up, hopefully tomorrow. And then we've got Nigel's bike, both TFCs, both got loads of carbon. We've got our complimentary carbon. All nice stuff. Our carbon fibre worked the same as the factory. So it looks really sweet. So SuperBusa's number 01 is ready for the dyno. So we'll be putting this on in the next few days. Got the Brembo master cylinders on clutch and brake, looks really nice and symmetrical. Lovely little job on that. Paint scheme is slightly different to my Busa. We've got some red in this, and when you see the bodywork, you'll see that it's a really cool paint scheme. It's just dyno time. Dyno time is of the essence. I'm super short on dyno time. Trying my hardest to get things going. Dyno's down at the moment. We've got USB port has crapped itself, so we've got to get some hardware and resolder the circuit board with some new parts. Okay, so this is the same spec engine as mine. It's got the forged pistons, forged rods, heavy duty cylinder studs, a cross-pitch exhaust system, BrakeTech 330 discs, it's complemented by the Brembo master cylinders, rotor box bullet wheels, these beautiful wheels, swing arm still to go in, rear wheel still to go in, but we'll do that after we've dynoed. We're keeping this as fresh as we possibly can for the customer. It's not going out on the road, we're not road testing, we'll just dyno in it. So we'll bed it in on the dyno, set it up on the dyno, and then it's as the customer would like to receive it. Yeah, so we've got the road tyres and road wheels on the quad, so again it's just waiting for me to dyno and set up on it. I just need cloning so that I can dyno test everybody's bike and car. Just back it up on me a little bit. So I've just asked my customers to be very patient while I get through it all, because I ain't getting any younger. I'm working as hard as I can for everybody. And wilting as well. Yeah. If only I had a chopper like that.